welcome to Math Made Easy with Frida. Today we will be solving this exponential equation. This is a challenging one, so let's get into it. Okay, we have 4 to the power of x plus 2 plus 4 to the power of x plus 5 is equal to 65. Now we're going to bring in a strategy here. Okay, let me just explain this to you. Let's write here 4 whole to the power of x plus 2 plus 4 to the power of x plus 5 is equal to 65. Now if I multiply this by 1 whole, it remains the same, right? Now the 1 whole I'm going to use here is 4 to the power of x plus 2 over 4 to the power of x plus 2 into 4 to the power of x plus 5. That's the same thing translated down here as 1 whole. All right, and everything else remains the same, is equal to 65. Then I bring this under 4 to the power of x plus 5. So I have here 4 to the power of x plus 2 plus 4 to the power of x plus 2 into 4 to the power of x plus 5 over 4 to the power of x plus 2. I just brought this under 4, all right, is equal to 65. Now, according to the law of exponents, these two can be subtracted. 4 to the power of x plus 5 over x plus 2 will be equal to 4 to the power of x plus 5 minus x plus 2. That works out to x plus 5 minus x minus 2, and the x's cancel and we get 3. So that's actually equal to 4 to the power of 3. This whole section is equal to 4 to the power of 3, which multiplies to 64. So this whole thing can be replaced with 64 now. Now let's rewrite this with 64 up here. So now our equation is 4 to the power of x plus 2 plus 4 to the power of x plus 2 into 64 is equal to 65. Now we can remove 4 to the power of x plus 2 as a common factor between these two. All right, 4 to the power of x plus 2 is a common factor. All right, and it goes here one time plus 1. Now this comes out and we get 1 plus 64 is equal to 65. So 4 to the power of x plus 2 into 65 is equal to 65. So this cancels out and we get a 1 here. So 4 to the power of x plus 2 is now equal to 1 whole. What power of 4 will give me 1 whole? 4 to the power of 0 gives me 1 whole. So now we can say now x plus 2 is equal to 0 because 4 to the power of 0 is 1. Then we have our answer, x is equal to negative 2, and that is your solution. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to practice every day, please subscribe to my channel as I post every day. Till next time, have a nice day.